Hello America, Mark Kelson here today, beautiful Junction City, Oregon, to present to you this 4081 Dutch Star by Newmar. It's a 2021 model on the K2 chassis by Spartan with a 450 Cummins engine. Beautiful coach. Let's go in and take a peek at what it has to offer. Walking into this coach, America, you will see that the color coordination is absolutely exquisite. When you look at the antique white distressed look in the cabinetry, and then the beautiful gray interior as far as the fabric goes on these seats. You're looking at the theater seating on one side, which is really cool because you can sit down and look at the TV directly across, have the beautiful Bose sound system just coming out vibrantly towards you. But the elegance of this coach is uncomparable, and you'll have a really nice, you got the white, the cream color flooring, but it also is heated, so it's nice and cozy. Now, going back here to the back, you'll see you do have the booth along with the residential style refrigerator and the induction cooktop. So this has no propane on board, it's all electric. You're going to have the convection microwave, which is a joy to cook in. And then coming even further back, you're going to have the half bath in this coach, and leading into the bedroom, where you're going to feature a king bed with a TV across from it. And one of the things in the Dutch Star is it has the hydraulic lift in the slide out, so you don't have to have any carpet in this coach. So it's a very elegant look. Coming back into the bathroom, you have a place to put a washer and dryer over here. You have a huge shower. You have an exit door behind the commode in the event of an emergency. And you have everything you would need back there, a nice vanity, plenty of storage. You've got it all in this coach. Again, you're going to have the 450 Cummins in this K2 Spartan chassis. It's just an awesome coach to drive with the comfort steer, which is probably, I would say, one of the biggest highlights of the Newmar series in the Dutch Star. Along with that, you have the K2 chassis, a lot of steel in that chassis, independent front suspension in this coach. You've got slide trays underneath. You just got it all. I'll tell you what, this is a great coach. As you can see, this coach is loaded. There's a lot to it, and a lot more than we can go through in this very brief tutorial. So if this coach is of interest to you, or any of them that we have on the campus, please feel free to give me a call at my personal cell phone number, 541-285-8791, or the Guaranty number at the bottom of your screen, and ask for Mark Kelson. Thank you.